love you all too. Hello everyone who's joined in. I think I'm some 2 minutes early. Hello guys, I see lots and lots of highs. Okay, so hi Abu. Okay, so basically I just wanted to do this क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से मैंने लाइव नहीं किया है और अभी अभी फर्जी रिलीज़ हुई है. हाय बुआ. और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है और मुझे लगा कि you know this is the right time to probably come on live and हम मीडिया में बातें कर लेते हैं लेकिन हम अपने फैन से इतना कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. You know, so I just thought this is just the right time. And thank you to everyone who's taken out the time to come and chat with me. I think time is the most precious thing you can give anyone, and I'm so glad I see so many people here. So, anything that you want to ask me, anything that you want to say, please feel free. Thank you, Team Rashi. Actually, thank you to all the fan clubs. You've been a great support. आपने इतना support दिया है और I couldn't have been where I am today without your support. Okay, so why did I stop doing Fan Friday? बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी और जब भी मैं लाइक 2-3 चीज़ें डालती थी देन यू नो पीपल यूज्ड टू गेट अपसेट बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ भेज रहे थे. तो मुझे लगा यू नो इट्स अनफेयर टू अ लॉट ऑफ देम. इसलिए मुझे लगा शायद मुझे अब बंद कर देना चाहिए यू नो बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू अपसेट पीपल. इज व्हाई आई स्टॉप्ड फैन फ्राइडेज. बट मे बी आई थिंक आई शुड डू समथिंग लाइक दैट सून अगेन. When you're collaborating with Mahesh Babu sir, so I am a huge Mahesh sir fan. Like I've been saying this throughout. Even when I started my career, I've maintained that you know I've always loved Mahesh sir's work, and I would love to work with him. And I think they are wonderful people. I remember meeting Mahesh sir and Amrita ma'am, and they are the warmest hosts. Like they're the best people. Like I know, and I hope. That I work with him in the future definitely because I really want to. And I think we look great together. So yeah, definitely Mahesh sir. And when am I coming to the Kapil Sharma show? Okay. I don't know. I really want to come. I love the show and बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि आप कब आओगे. तो I think I'll definitely want to come. मुझे कोई ले जाए या मुझे invite आ जाए तो मैं आ जाऊँगी. But I think during Yodha specifically, I'm sure that we'll come to the Kapil Sharma show. I'm also waiting for it as much as you're waiting to see me there. ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే చాలామందికి అర్థం కాలేదు కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ ట్రైన్ టు కీప్ ఇట్ అ మిక్స్ ఆఫ్ హిందీ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. आई सी लॉट ऑफ लव फॉर फर्जी. आई होप आप सबने देखी हो या एटलीस्ट शुरू की हो देखनी. I think as an audience also I really liked watching it. I'm really proud of Farzi and everything that it's given me. I couldn't have asked for more honestly. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Fitness secret. It's just you just got to keep working hard and you just have to keep hitting the gym. I don't believe in crash diets at all. तो बैलेंस करनी चाहिए. होम डाइट लेनी चाहिए. आई ईट अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्दी होम फूड. तो घर का खाना और वर्कआउट, दैट्स इट. When is Yodha releasing? Okay, तो अभी तक तो I know that it's releasing on 7th July और मैं भी बहुत वेट कर रही हूँ because I think Yodha में I'm with Sid and हमने songs अभी complete करे हैं and I think we make a very good couple on screen and I think लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगी और वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा किरदार है जो उन्होंने प्ले किया है जो you know which I really want people to see. तो yeah, I mean I'm waiting for it to come. सो तेलुगु और तमिल में आई एम स्टिल रीडिंग सम स्क्रिप्ट्स जो आई हुई हैं एंड आई जस्ट हैव टू गिव अ गो अहेड. तमिल में आई हैव साइन सम एंड तेलुगु में भी बात चल रही है, तो आई जस्ट हैव टू लाइक बैलेंस नाउ एवरीथिंग, हिंदी, तेलुगु, तमिल एंड इवन मलयालम. आई रियली वांट टू डू अ मलयालम फिल्म ऑल्सो. आई हैव दिस ह्यूज लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल आई वांट टू वर्क विद. I also want to watch myself with Pawan Kalyan, so I think Pawan Kalyan was like this movement in Hyderabad. Like there's a Pawan Kalyan movement where that die-hard fans of Pawan. So and I have never seen itna zyada stardom for any other person before than Pawan Kalyan. So definitely I would love to pair up with him. So yeah, as I was saying, that there are projects in the pipeline in Tamil, Telugu and in Hindi also. But I think I'll just take a little more time to sort of, it'll take a little more time to sort of make it public. We're still working on some stuff, but I think there's great stuff coming, so I'm pretty happy. I love you all too. Kannada mein, so I've never had the opportunity to work in Kannada, in the Kannada film industry, but I think I loved KGF. I think a lot of us did. I even loved Kantara and I loved Charlie the film. So I think Rakshit Shetty's work I really like. I would love to pair up with him. And even Yash sir. I think he's like the star, and he's so good. He has a great screen presence. So I would definitely want to do a Kannada film. I hope people are listening. And I hope that comes true. And Talapati, I love Talapati, and I've said it so many times before. I love his swag, I love his dancing, I love everything about him, and it's been my dream, and I really hope that